Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nye, and this is Slay the Renee Way. Today I decided that I wanted to experiment making a shea butter lotion and tried this out for the first time. It's my first time actually making it into like a lotion form and placing it into a pump bottle, but I wanted to try it and experiment and see what I can come up with. These are the things that you guys don't really see like behind the scenes when I'm experimenting with different formulations and trying just new things. So yeah, if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and let's jump right into it. I'm already adding in my carrier oils. I'm using this basic recipe for 24 ounces of shea butter. Make sure that you guys checked out the description box. I'm going to include the formulation in the description box for anyone who wants to try this out for themselves. But yeah, I'm pretty much using almond oil and avocado oil. Those are the two oils that I wanted to use for this video. Everything that I'm using is going to be linked down below as well. So just make sure you guys check out the description box. I am not going to talk to you guys throughout the whole video. I'm going to put on some music, but I just wanted to show you guys what this process looks like for me. I did a poll over on my community tab asking what kind of content do y'all really like to see on this channel. And to my surprise, the highest voting poll answer was making cosmetics and packaging orders, I think. So you guys really like to see when I'm like making my cosmetic products. So this is just going to kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm doing and why, because I'm going to be opening up my website again in the fall. And now I'm just trying to get some different testing and try out a couple of different things, some new fragrances, some new ways of making my shea butter. And yeah, so yeah, just go ahead and enjoy this video and leave me some comments down below of other things that you guys would like to see me make, or what else you guys would want to know how to formulate or anything like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get on some music and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love y'all.